Hey guys, welcome. In this video I would like to show you how you can prepare a smart contract in the way that this smart contract can actually collect some ERC20 coins, because you have to remember that each smart contract actually is represented by the regular public address, and there is no problem that somebody actually can send some ERC20 tokens to this specific address. However, if your smart contract is not aware how to interact with the ERC20 smart contracts, then it might be a very sad situation that your smart contract receives some coins that the smart contract cannot basically use for anything, because the smart contract cannot simply understand how to interact with other smart contracts. So actually, the ERC20 is a separate smart contract. So today I will show you how to make your smart contract aware of other ERC20 smart contracts, so you can, for instance, receive some coins and then withdraw them from this smart contract. So now I will show you how you can actually use ERC20 from your smart contract. First of all, we just imported open-setting library, which will give us some functions that we can call and use from our smart contract. You can read more on ERC20 standard on the open-setting page or official documentation of this contract. However, we just imported it from open-setting, and now inside our smart contract I will prepare a new function. I will call it transfer ERC20, and right now I can submit a new argument, a new parameter into this function, which is ERC20, and this would mean that I actually instantiate the variable that is ERC20 token, and all I have to do is just submit to this function a token, address and amount, because I would like to transfer some amount from this specific token to some other address. And as you can see in the line 33, I'm able to check the balance of this token just by submitting the address of the contract which holds ERC20. I will show you in a minute how to actually use this contract, but first of all, let me just deploy the contract so we have the address of this collector smart contract, so we can try to send some ERC20 to this address. So as you can see, the smart contract is already deployed. So right now I will just copy the address of this smart contract, and I will go to some external smart contract on the Membuat test network on the Polygon, which is not known. As you can see, this is a regular ERC20 smart contract, and here the only thing is that everybody can mint some new funds on this smart contract. Of course, this is not a regular production smart contract, it's just a testnet, so I'm able to produce as much coins as I want, but please bear in mind that this smart contract is not controlled by me. It was already deployed to the network, and right now I will mint for my address this amount of coins. So right now I will just copy it, and I will check whether I'm able to actually transfer this amount of money to the address of the smart contract. So right now I'm sending the coins not to some person, but actually to the address of the smart contract. So right now if I click right, you can see that I'm asked in my wallet to actually confirm that I want to send the ERC20 Aave testnet coins to my smart contract that I just deployed inside the Remix console. Of course, I will confirm that. And right now in the background we should have a new transaction that actually triggered a transfer from this address to the address of the smart contract. To verify it, I will copy again the smart contract address and I will submit it into the public balance of function, just to make sure that my smart contract receives some funds. You can see that smart contract already received the funds, so right now we will try to transfer them elsewhere, or ideally back to my wallet address. So here I have transfer ERC20 function that I added to the smart contract, and the first argument is the address actually of the smart contract which holds ERC20 information. So I will right now just copy it from the URL and I will paste it here, and I will pass it as the first argument to the transfer ERC20 function. The second parameter will be my address of this wallet, so I will transfer the funds, and of course let me also copy the amount of funds from this ERC20 that I would like to transfer. So right now I will also check whether the require works, so I will add extra 0 and we should get the error that the balance is too low, because I'm able, as you can see in the line 33, to actually check the balance of this token, and as you can see I'm using the variable token which points into the ERC20 smart contract. Right now I will take the 0 and I will be asked again to issue the transaction to my smart contract, and I would actually trigger the transfer on the external smart contract, which is ERC20. Right now let's copy again, let's check again the balance of the account of smart contract, and we should see the 0 because we already transferred all the funds, and right now I'm able just to check the address of my wallet, and you can see that I no longer can transfer this money because obviously I already transferred it. So that's all. I hope you learned something new. You know now how to use ERC20 smart contracts from your smart contracts, and this is actually really powerful because you can construct smart contracts that collect and send ERC20s. You can build your decentralized exchange or whatever you want. Thank you for your attention and see you next time on this channel.